So today is day 3 in Punta Cana. Yeah, as y'all saw, we just got some breakfast, some good old Dominican breakfast. The salami tastes like Jamaican sausage, like Jamaican hot dog. That's how the salami tastes. It tastes real good. We're waiting to be picked up because today we're going to in the gift store. Oh yeah, Mama Juana. Ooh, I love me some Mama Juana.
Mama Juana.
I love Mama Juana.
Mama Juana Botaga Daga.
Can I put this right here?
You are from, mommy?
I'm from Jamaica.
You look Dominicana.
No, she's Dominicana.
Parece también Dominicana.
It's a 10. Yo, I love
Ya
me
tú
some
sabes,
Mama
precios especiales para ustedes. La planta. La planta.
Yo, I got my Mama Juana. I love this. Oh my god. The last time I came here, I was addicted to this. I love this. That's all the Mama Juana right here. I'm definitely bringing back a bottle home. I'm gonna give me some more.
This has more sense, you know, for strong.
Okay.
Esa sirve para el sexo.
So she's gonna get another one. How much is it?
$20.
It's cute in here. Alright. Thank you. Big. I thought we were gonna get a necklace. Yeah.
Feeling and all.
Oh, it's nice. What's the name? That's a stone?
Lariman.
Lariman. Okay.
And if you have internet connection, you can look for the internet. You'll find a lot of information.
Okay. I want one of these though. How much is it?
That is 35.
Okay, I get this one.
So we're here. So pretty. Buenos días.
Like this is good?
Thank you.
It's good.
That's good. Thank you. Oh, thank you. I already got one. Hey y'all, so we're on our way to the island now. We're on a speedboat and we're gonna get on it. After the speedboat, we're gonna get on a.
Yeah, this is adult universe.
We're on the speedboat. We're about to head to Saona Island, but we're gonna stop at a natural pool first, and then we're gonna switch over to catamaran, right? I don't remember how it goes. When you get to this island, when you get here, the dock where the boat leaves, there are gonna be people selling, gonna be guys selling hats, selling bags and towels and everything. So we don't have that you know, they'll have it here. When we came here the last time, we didn't have nothing, so we had to buy. But now we know what to do, whatever. So when you get off the bus, that picks you up from the hotel or wherever you're staying at, there are gonna be people standing outside with hats and bags and towels and phone cases and everything that you're gonna need on the island. So yeah, we're on our way now. The speedboat that's taking us is like, this one is not packed, but the other one is packed in front of us.
I think there's more people coming.
But yeah. Oh yeah, we definitely have a life vest. So y'all, we're in the front this time because last time we was in the back. It was horrible. If I have a picture or a clip, I'll throw it in. But it was horrible last time. I got so in my eye, everything. So this time we're in the front. Luckily, I kept the headband on my edges because you know I scared the weight because the last time, like I said, it's a speedboat, so it should be speeding. So yeah, the last time my hair was fine, but it's light. So now we're well prepared this time around. I'm so happy about that.
Vamos directamente ahora. ¿Dónde vamos ahora? ¿Vamos?
No, Sprite.
Habla en español, que
Gracias. How you did it?
That's what he's saying.
My way good. Okay. He got jokes. Niggas that hold the wig down. And the lashes too. My lashes.
Si te gusta hacerlo, mami, vamos a verla. Ven para acá para que me muestres tu cadera. Sácale chispa y dale candela. Para ver, vamos a ver si da pela. La, mami, todo eso se ve. Da la vuelta, ponte a revés. Pon la mano, vaya en la pared y gózate esta culera. Miguelito, dale.
For drink we have rum, Coca-Cola in the natural food here, okay? Don't go far away because they come to the street world. If you want to swim, from the bus, okay? 30 minutes here. After we continue, we go to the Saona Island, okay?
We're at the natural pool now. I hear a drink in the background though. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, that's right. Till it's over, till it's far from over. Anna,
Do you like the back pictures? Like this?
okay, my good guys. I can't really see it. Stood up. Like that.
Only that she knows.
That's all I know. I know a lot of Haitians, but that's all I know.
No, sac passe. Yeah, only sac passe she knows. Let me take the two photos together.
No.
Why not?
We already did this already.
No, that's different.
This is the vibe. This is the vibe,
Cuba Libre, beer, y after we combine catamaran. Abaya in Blue Lagoon, okay? 1 hour here in the beach.
Hola. Hola. No alcohol.
How much? One?
Oh no, yeah.
Want sugar?
A little. Poquito.
Guaya, mami, tú eres mi presa. A mí me gusta hacerlo sin delicadeza. Mami, yo le doy bien duro con destreza. Yo sé que te gusta así, así. Sé que te vuelvo loca, la cara se te nota. Cuando lo mío azota, te dejo todo rota. Arrodíllate para llenarte la boca. Oye, dale sexy. Ey, bien cabrón pa' que sepa. Si no respetas, se te pesta. Pa' todos los que me respetan. Dale, mami, dale.
So I think the best to get a massage on the beach. Like a pre-birthday gift or whatever. Got my pina colada. No alcohol, but still busting.
I took massage in Saona Island.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, the vibe is really nice over here. Like we saw one island, but we're not even. This is not the part we came to last time. It's not. But the vibe is so nice, so relaxing, so therapeutic. This right here was so good. So freaking good. Like I'm putting on the screen how much it was. If I didn't already, I forgot. But yeah, this is really good. She's getting a massage right on the beach in her country. Period. Living her best life as she freaking should.
Suéltala con toda tu bellaquera. Da la vuelta y bájala. Ese trasero mata. Comienza el perreo de la raza. Baby, trata, traca, ta, ta, ta. Se sale una y otra más. Saca, sácatela. Empezó el revolú y vamos allá. Suéltala con toda tu bellaquera. Da la vuelta y bájala. Ese trasero mata.
This way. Information.
Family, come here.
So we're at the Blue Lagoon. We're about to have lunch. Finally.
Yeah. Information.
Beach bed right here to relax after we get our food. How long we gonna be here? Yeah, no. Oh, he gonna talk to us? Just got sunscreen. I need my sunscreen too, girl.
El bar está por allá. Vamos a comer inmediatamente. No incluida langosta.
Good.
Dependiendo de su tamaño. Over there.
What's this? That's what he said.
Over there.
That's what he said we have to pay for?
That and the lobster.
At 3:30, we're supposed to go back over the Canada.
3:30. Go back to
We have
Canada.
time for swimming on the beach. El baño.
We're at Blue Lagoon and we just got eating some food. The food was okay. The food was mid. It wasn't too bad. It was better than last time.
$20.
30. Todo. $30.
$30 and 30 total.
Total.
30 and 30. 30 and everything. Wishes.
Okay, I got it. Oh, checking in. It's almost time for us to go, but I have to write my mom's name in the sand before I go, and now my grandmother too. God rest their soul. But it's gonna be a tradition for me where I write their names in the sand everywhere I go. Everywhere I go. Yes, I'm about to go write their names in the sand right now, and yeah, that's gonna be a tradition. Take them everywhere I go. It's been a long day. I will give this experience 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. The only thing is, in between stops to each island or to each stop or whatever, it's a long ride. It's like 20-30 minute ride on a speedboat. So that's the only thing. But other than that, everything's been cool and smooth or whatever. I'm gonna try to find the company name so I could link them below for y'all because they was actually good this time around. The other one before, like I said, it was not it, so I would definitely not recommend that one. But this one I will recommend. So after we leave here, we're gonna go over there. Where the catamaran is, and that will be the end of the experience basically. And then we're heading back to Punta Cana.
Ey, hoy voy a estar con abuelo todo el día, jugando dominó. Si me pregunto si aún piensa en ti, yo le digo que no. Que mi estadía cerquita de ti ya se terminó. Ya se terminó. Ey, que prendan las máquinas, voy pa' Santurce. Aquí todavía se da caña, chequeate la baby, diablo, mami, qué dulce.